Dear students, now we are back to our new session, Geography. In this session, we are going to learn third lesson, Weather and Climate. So, dear students, go to lesson number 3. So, what is weather? What do you mean by weather? Every day you can read the weather forecast in the newspaper or hear it at TV or radio. Per day, daily routine we are listening the weather forecast. It tells you what the weather will be like for the next 24 hours, maybe for the next few days. Even we are using mobile phone. Every day we are checking what will be the temperature here and cold. What about the cold today? And these all the temperature conditions we are checking. And weather is a state of the atmosphere at a particular place at a particular time. That is what weather. Weather means it's a state of weather is a state of atmosphere at the particular place of a particular time. State of atmosphere, I mean it can be hot or it can be cold. At a particular place, I mean in Jahangirabad or some other places for a particular time period. It includes information the air temperature, air pressure, humidity, wind, speed and direction about of rain or snowfall and condition of the sky. Okay, this is what it include the information, which include the information weather forecast include the information temperature, air pressure, humidity, wind speed and direction of the wind, the amount of rain which you get today or snowfall and the condition of sky, whether it is a clear sky or a cloudy sky, these all they are explaining. The weather may change within a very short time. Weather can be changed. Now it may be sunny day, but after some time that sunshine will change to cloudy day, and within a very short time. For example, it may be dry and sunny on one day and the cloudy and rainy the very next day, and even on the same day it can take place. It may rain for a few hours and then become sunny again. This changing of climate can be every time. Okay, it can be after 1 hour some other climate you may feel very pleasant climate, you may get it after some time, but what about now it may be too hot, and these all the things, sudden changes can take place in weather conditions, and weather relates to a small area. For example, we can see there may be bright sunshine in your town while it is raining heavily in other town a few kilometers away. Sometime we are living in Jahangirabad, then when near our school today, sometimes it is maybe raining, but when we go to town school or Punjab National Bank or some other marketplace, then there may be no rain. Okay, there near school it is raining, but other place it is not. So it can happen. How weather affects us? So weather influences our daily life. Of course, our life it is affecting. If there is rain, then what will happen? We will take precaution and our all the works may get delay. For example, you take your raincoat to school if there is rain on rainy day. On a foggy day, you expected trains to run late. Foggy day, if you are planning to travel on a train, then what will happen? If that day foggy, then you will expect that today train will be late. And if there is a storm warning, fishermen do not go out to sea, and flight timing may be changed, and these are, if there is a stormy day, then what will happen, the fisherman will be warned not to go where, to the sea, and flight timings may be changed. Information about the weather is very useful, that is why we can take precautions. It enables us to take precautions against bad weather. So weather forecasting is very very necessary. It will affect to our daily lives too. Now what is a climate? What is climate? Climate is average weather. Weather means it is a short weather. It is a state of atmosphere at a particular place. But what about climate? Climate is average weather or the regular pattern of weather condition at a place over a long period. Another, weather can be for a little time. It can be for one day, or next day it can be other. So what about climate? Climate means weather condition at a place over a long period. This condition may last for a little long days. Usually the climate of a place is described on the basis of weather information collected at the place over a period of 30 to 35 years. And climatic changes are very slow. So climate remains more or less unchanged over what it is, over long period of time, and we may take this weather condition for 1 to 3, or otherwise 1 to 50 years, or 1 to 30 years, or 1 to 25 years, and we will see what is the changes take place there. It can be, then we can understand some type of slow changes are taking place there in the atmosphere. For example, in India it is hot and wet in June every year. India, we know next month is June. Every June India is very hot and humid. And what about climate rates to fairly large areas? Geographers have divided the world into few large zones, each with a particular type of climate. Such as zones are called a climatic zone. Somewhat same, not exactly same, some similarities may some of the places or areas, that is known as zones. Geographical geographers, we can say, so they have divided the earth into different types of climatic zones. And now let us see, first we have a look weather and climate, that is a difference between weather and climate. First let us see it. Here it is the state of the atmosphere at a particular place at a particular time. That we said. What about weather? It is a state of atmosphere at a particular place or a particular time. It is a regular pattern of weather condition at a place over a long period. This weather condition for a long time, it is known as a climate. It may change within a very short time. Weather can change within short time, but it is remain unchanged over a long period of time. It relates to small area. It relates to very large area. What weather relates to small area, but same time, what about climate? Climate relates to fairly a large area. So dear students, whatever we have learned, especially this differentiate between weather and climate, this table you have to make it by heart. And last day I have published the previous lessons question answers and exercises. So try to make a copy and make it by heart. Okay. And now next lesson we are going to learn, next session we can say, so we are going to learn how climate affects us. Okay. So read the lesson properly and try to understand it. And so have a nice day. Take care. Thank you.